everyone, it's Joset van Burgt here, filling in on Technique Friday with Els. Today I'll be showing you how to create this cute You're So Sweet card. And for this card I used the lion and tiger die sets. I just used different colors this time to create the little cat. To create the cat, just refer to the link below to the video. I've also used the fitted and the dashing rectangles, the dashing circles, and the stitched fishtail banners. So I already created my cat here, and for the bow I used the party accessories die set. Then I created a card base measuring 5.5 by 4.25 from white soft finish cardstock, and then I already cut the rectangle, dashing rectangle, the fitted rectangle using the beautiful Moda Scrap Color of Puppies Girls collection paper pads. So I use this one here. Then I cut up my banner from white soft finish cardstock as well. I cut it from the soft side, not the textured side, so I could stamp my sentiment on there. It just works a little bit better. And I used a general sentiment set, You're So Sweet. Then I cut a dashing circle as well. So I'm just going to assemble this. I put adhesive on the back already. So first my largest dashing rectangle and a pattern paper rectangle on top. My fishtail banner, the sentiment, circle, and then the kitty cat. Oh. This one in the middle. And then you have a super sweet card, also really fun for as a birth card. You can do a boy colored background. Super fun and easy. So thank you for watching. I've suggested a couple other videos that I think you will enjoy as well. Don't forget to download the free product sheet as well as subscribing to our YouTube channel. See you next time.